Alabama Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It's from the Witch's Moon for March. I will tell you what it is. It's the Witch's Roots on site. Seen the herbs. So March's Witch's Roots box. Always a cute little box full of herbs all around. I'm not sure the theme, so I'm gonna take a peek. It always smells so wonderful. Okay. The theme is, the Freya collection. I believe that's what it says. Now, note that we did get Freya, a beautiful statue in a Freya box from Sugar Muses last month. I don't know if it was the Midnight box or the Sugar Muses box, but we had a nice Freya box from Sugar Muses. Okay, so right on top we have a beautiful, I guess this is a raven, and it's an oracle card, and mine says, "Go back to your roots, go right back. When you have found yourself, you cannot fail to reap a bountiful harvest." That's my, the Book of Shadow sheet for Freya is to die for her. They're always gorgeous. This is beautiful. Little kitty cat in there. Really, really nice Book of Shadows sheet. And then we have our herbal sheet. Our herb is linden leaf. I believe it says linden leaf. Sometimes it's hard for me to read the font, but I believe that's linden leaf. Right, so right on top we have our bag with our beeswax candle, and this month it is like a gold color, and it has some herbs on the outside bottom here. So we have our beeswax. It smells really good. Then we have our bubble. So this is going to be our ritual oil. Our ritual oil. Freya's Sight. Beautiful label. Freya's Sight. Ritual oil. Full of goodies. We have, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I don't know what this is, so gonna find it in, we have, this is what it looks like on the bottom. So I'm gonna guess maybe a little statue of sorts. I don't want to break it. So I'm gonna use the scissor to unleash this. It's a little statue of, Freya. Cute. Now, these are really awesome. They're a great size and great depiction. Freya with the cat right there. So this is a miniature of the big one. So I also have these awesome little statues at my shop. We sell them in a lot of the different deities and gods and goddesses. And Freya is one of them. I personally don't have it, so I'm glad to add this to my collection. To start with the little guys, because this gives you an opportunity to purchase a lot more deity statues if you wish, because they're really nice. That's cool. I'm glad I got them. They'll look nice with my Freya that I got from Sugar Muses. That will look very nice next to her. Then we have this blue, very nice bag. Big bag. Let's see what's in here. Feels like a bracelet. It's a bracelet. So we have a lava stone bracelet. And then we have a rose quartz. Looks like a pyramid. And some silver beads here. So we have a rose quartz pyramid. And the lava stone. We also have pure peppermint herbal tea bag. Okay. Then we also have our herb, which is linden leaf. So I can read this font. So we have our herb, linden leaf. And the last item in our box is orange sweet ritual incense. So, pretty cool box, right? Got some different items. The statue is really great. I'm glad they're introducing those in their boxes. Freya. We can hear the thundering thuds of the feline creatures as they carry the mighty chariot along the star-studded night. You can make out the slightest outline of the falcon above, bearing its outstretched wings to the tears of moonlight. Freya beams with a gold brilliance atop of the wondrous sight, standing with a defiant posture, most certain and true. As she glances towards you, the beauty seated in her soul pierces your own. We have been eagerly preparing for this unique and beautiful collection to finally be released. May the energies created by these items bring a sense of love, beauty, intuition, guidance on your path. May Freya blend your desire and will into everlasting strength. The magical items in this box are as follows. It starts off with the linden leaf. Found deep in the European folklore, the linden tree stands as a symbol of fidelity and loyalty. Hence the common practice of performing marriages under its shade. The healing powers of linden tree have been said to bring comfort and conclusion to sickness and ill health. This tree is also referred to as the lime tree and is considered to be one of the most magical trees to exist in our current landscape. As we dive into dramatic characteristics, stories of old even tell us that lightning will never strike a linden tree due to the marriage between Freya and Odin. It was under its branches their tribal judgment was shared, marriages were performed, and celebratory gatherings planned. I did not know that. That is cool. Traveling Freya altar statue. Made from polystone, it is a perfect size to create an altar of almost any surface. Sitting next to Freya's feline companion stands her shield, used to protect and provide cover for those traversing the spirit world. She shows off her sword and dagger, nestled just lightly enough in their scabbards for swift and direct action. Call upon Freya for healing, protection, and love. Allow the energy of her magic to bless your experiences with gross and deep purpose. Lava stone and crystal bracelet. Within the pouch, the black beads used to create this bracelet is volcanic lava, cold, rapidly and suddenly temperature change such exposure to water. As wonderfully poured stone, lava rock is also known for being crafted into beads as a tool of absorbing essential oils. Within your practice, you can feed this stone with oils of water and elixirs. In addition to the crystal pyramid, accompanies the lava stone to enhance its impression. This bracelet can be placed around Freya when not on your wrist to resonate with her magical qualities. As you do so, clearly voice your intentions. Then, pure peppermint tea bag. Caffeine-free peppermint leaves are the only ingredient that can be found within this tea bag for psychic powers, purification, and healing are but a few of the many magical properties that are associated with peppermint. And Freya, contemplate this goddess as you prepare and enjoy. Freya's Sight Magical Anointing Oil. Ba 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 ba. This wonderfully fragrant blend was created to be a companion on your path toward working with Freya. You can anoint your magical tools, amulets, and elixirs, allowing the energies of guidance to follow, especially during divination rituals. Be mindful of signs and symbols found throughout your practices and daily chores, as Freya may be providing you with a push in the right direction. This special blend has been created with the oils of lemongrass and grapefruit, rose, and our Freya oil. In addition to dried jasmine, rose, and blue cornflower has been added. Also, you will find a quartz crystal within this oil. Bring powerful and programmable to your intent. Then we have the Orange Sweet Ritual Incense Sticks. Incense is to carry the energies of optimism, confidence, and restoration. Then we have our candle, and it's hand-rolled Flame of Desire mini beeswax candle. There is a place within each soul where the flame and desire burns brightly, dispelling all other dealings that do not resonate with its purpose. The Flame of Desire spell candle was hand-rolled to bring inspiration and passion to your workings. Jasmine has also been dressed upon its surface, placed there to call upon love and prophecy. And, of course, our art cards by A.E. Alden. And our personalized oracle reading is from the Raven Cards Oracle by Gabby Bucker. What do you think, guys, of the Witch's Roots? I love it. I love the art, as always. I'm glad we got a statue. And they incorporated a new bracelet, and they got some new items in here, like the tea, which I enjoyed. So, even with the Witch's Moon this month, they changed it up, which was really nice. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.